working on this Buick Apollo and came across a bit of a startling discovery. This front track where the windshield's supposed to sit at should be solid metal, or at least partly metal. Looks like somebody laid fiberglass over the whole top. As you can see, it is rusted beyond belief up there. And this was their attempt at, some of this junk out of the way, and repairing it. So nice thick chunks of fiberglass just poured in there, smoothed over. And you can see it actually looked pretty good there, until you found out that it's not even close to being metal. Anyway, good thing I got the car for a good deal. Very serious rust out back here. You can see there's not much left to hold any of the taillights or anything in place. So because this part is not available, I decided to do something other than return it back to its original condition. This is the 67, 68 Camaro tail pan that showed up in the mail today. And it looks like we may have some damage on this thing, unfortunately. But I think we'll still be able to make it work. Situation down here on this 68 Camaro tail pan. Getting the tail coming back to this Buick Apollo. As you can see, I got a little bit of a gap between here and here. So what my plan is I picked up some cab corners from a 88 to 2000 model. Yeah, 88 to 2000 model pickup truck. So I'm going to attempt to cut those off right below the little belt line right there, all the way down to the bottom. That piece actually looks like it will fit in there pretty good. So we'll see what happens.